Hi, my name is Emily Arnau, and I'm the Marvin, Southern California Territory Manager. I'm here with Hayward Lumber today to present a couple of our products. This right here is our fiberglass interior, fiberglass exterior essential line, and this on my right is our aluminum clad exterior, wood interior ultimate line. So for our fiberglass line, comparative to vinyl, it has a higher melting and deflection point, so this wouldn't melt until 285 degrees Fahrenheit, which in comparison to vinyl would be around the 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Our aluminum clad actually has a higher melting point than our fiberglass. So our customers can actually get a one-pane tempered glass on all of our products, which is California fire rated, and we can also do a dual pane tempered glass that would meet the California rating as well. So these could both perform better in a fire rated zone. We are strong partners with Hayward Lumber. We have a partnership with them all throughout Southern California. Thank you, Hayward Lumber, for bringing our products to the market.